Okay, here is the second part of setting up the Christmas tree and the lighting and the base. This is a base I've made, platform. It's raised. All the wiring for the Christmas tree and the accessories are underneath it. This always stays wired in its base, no reason to take the wiring apart, and it's all concealed. It's fed from a single dedicated circuit outlet in the back, which goes back to the main panel, and that feeds everything. The tree lighting and all the accessories. At the base of the tree, there's a quad outlet underneath this base platform, and then another quad outlet on top of that, which feeds all the lighting on the tree. The concealed wires go under the base to cross the railroad tracks, and there is a surface duplex towards the back of the base and another one towards the front. Here's the one switch. This turns everything off, so there's no reason to go anywhere but one spot to turn all the power off to the accessories, train, and the main tree lighting. Very simple. There are access holes in the base which come up to feed the groupings of buildings, and again to get the wires across the track so there's no interference. Access holes for another grouping and accessories. Another access hole on the other side of the track, and then there is another surface for the train transformer, an outlet there. So you can see it's very clean installation. It seems everything works. All the wires are out of the way. Even towards the back, you can see nothing crosses the track. The center group of lights are fed from underneath also. And we're ready to go on and keep decorating. It seems most of the wires are in place and the train's working. We can go on to part 3.